fucking way. He changed his mind. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my god, oh my god.
Wow, this is unbelievable. A helicopter crash just occurred right in the Huntington Beach area where me and my team, evangelism team, were sharing the gospel a few months ago, and all of a sudden this happens, and like about 5 people have been taken to hospital, and maybe some people have died. Is this a deep state hit, or is this a helicopter rotor that fell off and they didn't check it right and something went wrong? I don't know, but let's pray that God protects whoever was in this accident, and that they, if they are about to die, that they are healed, and that they don't know Jesus. Let's pray that they know Jesus and make sure they know where they're going when they die, which is heaven.